Hello to everybody. Now we have to discuss on problems of half-range Fourier sine and cosine series. These are recapitulation. So learning objectives to find the expansion of f of x in the range 0 to L and 0 to pi. Session outcomes: choose to expand a non-periodic function as a series of sines. These are prerequisites for solving problems. Problem on half-range sine series. So find the Fourier sine series, half-range sine series for f of x is equal to x square in 0 to pi. So here this is the half-range sine series. F of x is equal to summation n is equal to 1 to infinity bn sin nx. So here we have to find the value of bn. So f of x is x square. So apply the rule, bn is equal to 2 by pi. So x square into, so integrate sin nx minus differentiate this x square, then again integrate this function plus differentiate this 2x, then integrate this one, so with limits 0 to pi. So after applying the limits and after simplification, the value of bn is 2 by pi minus 1 raised to n plus 1 pi square by n minus 2 into 1 minus 1 raised to n by n cube. The required half-range Fourier series is f of x is equal to summation n is equal to 1 to infinity 2 by pi into minus 1 raised to n plus 1 pi square by n minus 2 by n cube into 1 minus 1 raised to n into sin nx. And the second problem is expand f of x is equal to x in half-range cosine series over the interval 0 to pi. So here this is the half-range cosine series a0 by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx. So here find the value of a0. So this is the formula, and f of x is x. So integrate this one. Integration of x is x square by 2, limits 0 to pi. After simplification we get pi, and find the value of an. So this is the formula, f of x is x. So applying the rule, so x into, so integration of cos nx is sin nx by n minus, so in derivative of x is 1 and integration of sin is cos nx by n square. So after simplification we have an is equal to 2 by n square pi minus 1 raised to n minus 1. The final Fourier half-range sine cosine series is pi by 2 plus 2 by pi summation n is equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 raised to n minus 1 by n square into cos nx. So these are exercise problems. Session summary is expansion of half-range Fourier sine and cosine series in interval 0 to L and 0 to pi. Multiple choice questions. Find bn when we have to find the half-range sine series of the function x square in the interval 0 to 3. Answer is a minus 18 into cos n pi by n pi. And the second one, find the value of 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square when finding the half-range Fourier sine series for f of x is equal to 1 in the interval 0 to pi. The answer is B, pi square by 8. The third one is find the value of 1 by 1 raised to 4 plus 1 by 3 raised to 4 plus 1 by 5 raised to 4 when finding the half range Fourier cosine series for f of x is equal to x in the interval 0 to 1. The answer is C, pi square by 96. And the fourth question is find the half range Fourier sine series for f of x is equal to x in 0 to pi by 2 and f of x is equal to pi minus x in pi by 2 to pi. Answer is D. And fifth question is in half range cosine Fourier series we assume the function to be even function. So these are reference books for this session. Thank you very much.